Have you ever been at school and suddenly realized you need something you didn't bring? School emergencies always happen when you least expect them. One minute you're having a completely normal day, and the next your pen stops working, you spill something on your uniform, or you suddenly realize you forgot something important. And somehow, these little emergencies always happen at the worst possible time. That's why having a small emergency kit in your school bag can be a total lifesaver. You don't need to carry your whole house with you. Just a few useful essentials that can save you from those little unexpected situations. So let's build an emergency kit together that will help you handle those random school emergencies without panicking. Let's begin with the obvious one. 1. Pads or tampons. If you're a girl, you already know this one is a must-have. Periods have a funny way of showing up when you least expect them. So even if you're not expecting your period, it's always a good idea to carry 1 or 2 with you. And even if you don't end up needing them, your friend might. And trust me, you'll be glad you had one when someone needs it. 2. Tissues or wet wipes. These are perfect for all those random little messes that somehow happen at school. Whether you spill something on yourself, need to clean your hands, or just want to freshen up during the day, tissues and wipes are definitely something you'll want in your emergency kit. 3. Hand sanitizer. Think about how many things we touch at school. Door handles, desks, sports equipment. The list literally never ends. So having a small hand sanitizer with you is honestly a really good idea. It's perfect for those moments when you want to quickly clean your hands, especially when there's no soap or water nearby. 4. Band-Aid. You don't need a whole first aid kit in your bag, but keeping a few Band-Aids is always a good idea. For a small cut, a blister, or any little accident, you'll have something handy instead of having to search around for one. 5. Lip balm. Your lips can get dry throughout the day, especially when you're at school for hours. So having a lip balm or lip gloss with you can help keep your lips feeling soft and moisturized. Plus, it's always nice to have something that makes you feel a little more refreshed during the day. And please don't wait until your lips are already dry and struggling before you remember to apply some lip gloss. Keep it in your emergency kit and reapply it whenever you need to. 6. Safety pins. You never know when a button might suddenly come off, or your clothes might have a little problem at the worst possible time. So keeping a few safety pins in your emergency kit can really save you from those little wardrobe emergencies. They're tiny, don't take up much space, and you'll be happy you brought them when you actually need them. 7. A small deodorant. After being at school for hours, especially on a hot day, you might just want to freshen up a little. A small deodorant is perfect for those moments when you want to feel clean and refreshed throughout the day. Just make sure it's travel size so it doesn't take up too much space in your bag. 8. A mini mirror. A mini mirror is one of those things you don't think you need until you actually need one. Whether you want to quickly check your hair, fix your lip balm, or make sure everything looks okay before heading to class, having a small mirror with you can be really helpful. 9. Hair ties. If you have long hair, you already know how annoying it can get when your hair starts getting in your face or just isn't cooperating anymore. So, keeping a few hair ties in your emergency kit can really save you, especially on those hot days when you just want to get your hair out of the way. And trust me, don't wait until you need one before you realize you don't have any. 10. A comb or a small hairbrush. Because somehow, your hair can look perfectly fine when you leave home and then suddenly have a completely different plan by lunchtime. A small comb or brush can help you quickly fix your hair and freshen up whenever you need to. 11. An emergency cash. You never know when you might suddenly need a little extra money at school. Maybe you need to buy something important, your transport plans change, or you just find yourself in an unexpected situation. So, keeping a small amount of emergency cash somewhere safe in your bag can be really helpful. You might not need it every day, but when you do, you'll definitely be happy you have it. 12. Minty gum. And of course, we can't forget gum. Sometimes you just want to freshen up your breath after eating lunch or before talking to someone up close. So, keeping a pack of gum in your bag can be really useful. Just make sure chewing gum is allowed at your school. And those are some of the important things you should have in your school emergency kit. I hope this video helped you know what to pack in yours and gave you some ideas for those unexpected school moments. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you in my next video.